also enjoy how annoyed you get when you actually do miss it.
Yeah, I know.
You know when you kick it with the outside of your foot, what's that called? Trivela, isn't it? I just thought it was outside of the foot.
Then Rafael Carlos make it play. Is that what you're using? Yeah. That's my 117. Now. Yeah, I don't drink coffee anymore. I'm with you.
To warm up again, that's the best part of the.
And he's made my style. Adam, in the pitch.
How you feeling? Yeah. Well, thank you both. Cheers, mate. First game back in there. Thank you, mate.
I'm going to try it. I'm just going to play.
Probably see it training tomorrow. Yeah, safe, bro.
It's a run. He's back. Back to the sound everyone wants to be. Boom! Oh!
So what, I think that's it. How's up north? I'm only Kent, but it's in north, red where we are. Yeah. I normally like that smell.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? I know. When you play football, it's horrible.
Actually see it, you just cover first and that makes it. But yeah, the first time I was having to do all the I was trying to do more defensive.
Yeah.
You know, seriously.
I was trying to get a goal. It's difficult to get out and get back. Sorry about shooting.
That actually really hurt my foot.
One more kick in the ball. One foot.
I've got to start off.
That's a top manager right there.
Right, nice and slow. Sorry, George.
And on. Boys, work it back. Man on.
Go in.
Man
on. Well done.
Yeah, reach back.
on, mate.
One of you. Look at Rich. Rich is right wing.
Oh, shit.
Well done, Danny.
Switch. Sorry, Cam.
Right, let's just slow.
Man on.
Working back, boys, working back.
Go side, Adam.
Let's go, Rich, go. Cross covered. Sam, right,
Runner. Get tight.
Well then, Adam. Boys, they're organised now. You got two. Sam, right.
George.
Boys, somebody's go over there. Help.
George.
Lads, you need to organise at the back better there.
Sam's got space.
Man on!
Well done.
Adam! Yeah. Unlucky Adam. Man coming. Go.
Pressure. Boys, organising far right.
Rich, you got 26.
Adam, stay far left.
Sam, come middle. 26.
Cycle.
Well done. Go home. Set.
Man, come slowly. You're
Sam,
not.
drop.
Yes, safe.
Well done. Oh, boy. Yeah, whatever.
Someone pressure, Adam, pressure. Drift over right now, boys. Somebody's drift over.
Man on Russ.
You got right. Race on back here.
Yeah.
Go back. Man, slowly coming. He's on you now. Boys, in the gap left. Who's left?
Good pressure, Lee.
Adam, stay on thrower. Adam, stay on the thrower when he comes on. Thrower. Line! Right, drop early, drop it in early! All right, Connie goes, Rich, stay middle man. Work it back, boys, watch that back, boys. Wait, right, get tight, Adam, get tight.
Time. No one behind you.
Well enjoyed. Ref, sub in. Boys, you'll straight in.
Yeah, I'm happy. Where you going?
Leave it on keeper, stay on your men. Leave it on keeper, stay on your men.
Sorry, Cammy. Go the same way. Cam, right, go right.
Back to him.
Yes, Cam. Wait for the change. Yeah, happy. It's a good position. Where you going? Yes, Chris.
Yeah, ready?
Rich. Ball, Rich, ball. Oh, take your time.
Keep dropping, Con. Keep going.
Yes, let's get in.
Somebody's watched the right, boys. You got spare far right.
Come right. 26. Well done. Finish.
Run.
Oh, boy. Just wait around here, man.
Hasn't done that 2 weeks in a row.
Come on, lads. Fucking hell.
Come on, face it up, boys. We're playing. Face it up.
It's late for play on it.
Right.
Come on.
Finish.
Square.
Oh no! No fucking way. Come on.
Camera.
Boys, face it up because they go quick. Face it up. Pressure straight on both. Pressure straight on.
Runner. Adam.
Cheers, George. You'll see that one. Adam, just stay far on him, mate. Just stay on him. Stick on him tight.
Go side.
Go on, Adam.
Yes, Adam. Rich, sit in.
Man on. Push up. Adam, work it over. Ball, Adam, ball.
Well done. Well done. Square.
Boys, face the marking. Man middle.
Come on, what are you?
Far right, Adam, back right. Follow. He's on you. Whoa. Time. Rich again. No, you're low, Jay. You're low. She's up.
Support.
Fucking boys.
Work it back, boys. Work it back. Boys, edges, line. Someone line.
Come.
George, get on that quick.
Man up, man up. George, got to go.
Pressure straight
Two
on.
way. Yeah, you're pulling.
Con, drop on, Con. Oh, great, Jack. Come. George, you need to work it now, mate. Middle. Far right. Lads, just get tight marking. Con, keep walking up one. Name, boys, name. Go.
Do it if you want.
Get it down, Cole. Danny's there. Push on that. I'm in up. Get out, one of you, get out! Good. Yes, Rick.
Sorry. Boys, keep them under. Sorry, son.
Man edges, George, work it in.
George. Come on, done. That's right, you're good. George. Come on. Control. Away you go. Middle. Oh, sorry. Don't do it if you don't have to.
Boys, getting tight now, tight early. Adam, push one. Adam, go!
Got it, maybe a whip. Add your hair. George, you're there. Where's your kicker?
And make sure you follow that run.
Done, Rusty.
Straight.
Boys. What is it? Come.
Poke. Boys, far as well, George.
Hey?
Someone got that?
Yeah.
Right.
Help him out here, then.
Go.
Oh.
Adam, make sure you follow that run if you go.
George, you're fry.
I'm fine.
Rich, get on.
I'll say yes, but yeah, just follow it.
Good.
Man on.
You just have to go. Good. Hey, make him play it. Well done. Good. Head.
Sorry, I thought you were quicker than that.
Yes, please, Pam. This ain't going over, is it?
Just kick it.
Just pick it up.
We'll just chuck it in.
Not fucking David Beckham. Stay away from the skateboard, can't you?
Adam, one. Finish.
Great keeping.
Move.
Ricky, boy.
Still got a half till start time. That was last night out clearing.
Good. Follow that runs, boys. Boys, work it back early. Boys, get behind the ball.
Man up, man. Good, Brett. Good, Connie.
Keep on.
There you go. Slow. You've got four here. Easy, see that, George? Yeah, please. Come on in here. Get tighter. Yes, George. I don't know how that ended up in a goal, but
Fuck those, mate.
I'm not Sam York anymore.
Go.
They're not staying up.
Where they usually go. There you go. You can push that one. Go one. What are you going to make? Think about it. Are you doing it?
I can't believe you just did that.
Keep doing that.
Calm on the ball while we're losing.
Calm it down.
Get behind the ball when we're defending. Not fucking sit up top.
Come on, boys. No, well done. Come on. Run away now. Got another hit. Well done, Cam. Good feet, George. We got four. It's unlucky. Win it back. Middle. Brett, stop. Grab stop. Wait for the change.
Good.
Got me?
Spare middle.
Sam, let me know when you're ready.
Come on, boys. We're going to win this in the second half. Come on.
You need to fucking work back off the fucking ball.
Yep.
What was it? 4-2?
We've got a settle on the ball.
That's the issue with this league is the teams are really, they were really shit. These are not shit.
I think we're doing well. We're doing the same.
They're trying harder than us, aren't they?
He slid me twice.
Has anyone got any normal?
Yeah, he slid me twice.
Have you got normal watches?
Do you know what the thing is though? The only moment they're losing, don't they? You go 4-1 down, you start moaning about the game. Can't moan about it when you're losing.
Just Sam, are you ready?
Nowadays, they're brave guys.
Just don't.
As soon as they get bored now.
That's what crosses in for the assist. on, lads. One of you. Come on, boys.
Get back on! Behind the
Come on,
ball!
boys.
Early.
Hopefully with new balls.
Get there, Luke. Get there, Luke. Get there, Luke.
Middle!
Well in. Drive, Luke.
Time. Man coming now.
All right, boys, all right!
Oh, unlucky. Time.
Pressure!
Come on, Pretty. Come on.
Leave it there, George! George, leave it!
Play. Got Adam now. Adam. Good. Yeah, look on your left. Oh.
Come on, boys. Let's heads up.
What shirt you got underneath? What shirt you got on underneath? That's why you're fucking losing. Press him, press him. Just wait for change. Yeah, if you turn off, you can play. You can play.
He was shooting inside his own half. They get 1 in 10 on target.
Take time, take time. I'm here if you want.
You get 1 in 10 on target. I mean, he's got a good striker.
Talk to me. Yeah.
Give it to him. Honestly, mate.
Go side, well done!
Unlucky. That's fine, man.
No, slow!
Someone take.
Right, give him an option, we're going hiding. Oh, good luck. Check on!
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Fucking hell, sorry. Boys, come on.
Go side, Rich. Rich.
That's you, right.
Man, down and go, stay.
Luke, switch then. Unlucky. Well played, Luke. Come on, George. Oh, unlucky. Man there.
Yeah. Looking right up. Adam, look at 26.
Man on Ross. Unlucky. Get there, Luke. Man on. Well in, boys. Unlucky.
Slow, no option. Well done. Go on. Square it, square.
Well in, George. Well in, George.
Sub, ref, sub.
That fucked me too.
Come on, lads. Yep, I'm happy. Away you go.
Push that ball through the middle. Watch it.
Yeah, again.
Back the road.
Oh, and again.
Nice. Smash it.
Well in, Popey.
Come, drive it.
Mind that, Cammy.
Oh, off the left side of the blue. Wait for the change, Yellow. Wait for the change. Play.
What's that wide? That free ball, Matt. Someone go
Now,
two.
boys. Who's got
Oh.
Yep. Come on, Matt, finish. Now, I've got a fucking lucky.
Come on. Unlucky. Back.
Yeah, John.
Well in, Lou.
That's got to be a slide. That's not red. Come on.
Put him off, he ain't doing anything. How many do you want?
Slide is sliding.
Well, it's not sliding, it's no motion slide. No. He's landed his first foot's gone in it, then he's lifted it and picked it a second time. The foot is not slid through, just here.
It's out of control.
It's not out of control.
You're direct rhythm.
It is going to be direct. What is out of control is that you've gone deliberately straight to the back of the player. No, you didn't. There's no intention to win the ball. No intention to win the ball.
Adam!
Come on, boys.
Look, quick one. Come on, what are you free? Good. Can you run up?
Keep going, Adam. Throw up. Adam, you go. Adam, throw up. Where's you got this one coming? Get over there. Not moved it, it's hit the arm, it's hit the arm. Who's got it? Sam!
Come on, boys. Calm down the pass and we'll get it.
Leaving men open.
I need to stir up.
Yeah.
Man on.
Good break, not that.
George.
Go side.
Come on.
Come in.
Head on.
Yeah, one more. Oh, Alan! Fuck me. We're not winning 6-0, huh?
Come on, lads!
Get behind. Get behind. Come on, left.
Rusty! Rusty! It's in that bush to the right. Tell us, Annie. Oh, get in for me. It's in there.
Man, organise this defence now. You've got two spare middle and the thrower and line.
Man there. Yeah.
Go on. You got time.
Switch the ball.
Brilliant save.
Just keep the momentum, yeah? Come on, back. Boys, come on. 5, 7. Let's go. One six. Back.
Stay right, follow him.
Man on your foot. Come on, Pokey. Look up. Yeah, well played, boys. Boys, keep it up. Let's go. Come on, lads. Boys, keep up the goal. Come on, lads. Keep fucking going, boys. Keep pressing. Keep going. Keep battling. That's yours, Adam. Man on Ross. Got him. Yep. Man there, Cammy. Oh, unlucky. Come on, boys. You want the ball every time they want that. Come man on. Unlucky. Ross wants to switch. Touch to be a yellow ball. Side. Drop. Yeah, quick.
Oh, then you got the score now. Oh, fuck.
Fuck's sake. Go across. Go. A ball! It's going down, boys. It's still low. It's not right. It's time waiting for this. They've got an offer. Hit it home and that for this time. You just grab that one for me.
Yeah, we'll do.
Come on. 1-2 account. You do. Yeah, great finish, boys. Let's keep going. Ref, what's the score? 4-4. Hey, lads, let's win this now then. Yes, please. Switch the balls. Come on, lads. That's more like it, lads. That's yours, Popey. 3 on 2, lads. Unlucky. Man, come in. Unlucky. Everyone's got to have a man, lads. Everyone just make moves. What up? Yeah, for the ball. Take it up. Take a step. I'm telling him, take a step.
Send them off.
Are you deaf? Take a step. I've shouted 3 or 4 times. And another one. That'll do.
Drive, Cammy. Unlucky. Russ, what? Your back, Adam out on your right. Yeah. Get there, Luke.
Here, now. Behind you. No!
Unlucky.
You know who you got now? Yes, run in! Back! Ash, get on the line closer! Go!
Unlucky, unlucky.
Run! Do it, Ash! We going, anyone?
Popey on your right, Popey on your right. Well in, Cammy, man on Adam. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Well played. Turn out.
Guys, hey man, can't fucking see him under that line. Man on! Does it count?
Unlucky.
Keep it up, keep it up. Listen, that's two. Too late. Keep going, mate. Go up.
Unlucky. Right, let's find a man, quick. Mark up.
To it.
Popey, drop right, deep. One of you. Don't give him time, don't give him time. Well in, Cammy. Go on, Luke. Hey, Luke. Battle. Drive. Go, ball. Cam's there. Man on Ross. Oh, unlucky.
Rick! I think he has power.
One in,
Come on!
Popey, you have to come in, mate.
Early! Two boys here! Sorry, Rick!
Drive, Adam's there.
Luke, switch!
Play it. Go, drive. Oh, unlucky.
Go on, boys!
Drop. Adam, go out wide.
Change on. Boys, you are away. They're still trying. Yep.
Referee's up. Let's up. Yeah, well played. Come on.
Sam, stop worrying about the rest and concentrate on yours. You do that.
Hang on to it. Come on, boys. Face up. Get there, Ross. Get there, Ross.
Coming to Matt.
Well done, Ross.
Early, boys. Get him in early.
Cameras two, Matt, drop in. Popey, you've got to come in, mate.
Matt, left shoulder now, yeah? Why would I come in when one's out here? Yeah, got that.
Well, battle Cameron.
Worry about him,
Yeah,
yeah, yellow spray. Quick to it. Popey. Tuesday night, I'm not interested in 50%. Yeah, but you're not you could, mate. Monday, that's right. Over!
Mate, that was it for you. Boys, go early.
Corner.
Let's go long.
Corner, mate.
Well done. Go right, Connie. Right.
Stay with him, mate.
Well done, lads.
Well played, boys.
Fucking right.
Never in doubt.
You'll make you set on the dog and like that. It was a celebration. It's a bit fun there.
Ref, I'll let you off tonight because they say you've got the floodlight fixed.
We're first off, we just decided to defend them.
I mean, in the second half, we missed so many. We just say,
Oh mate, I was getting so because the trouble is every chance I had was like all the time in the world, and I was going to miss those every day of the week. So many times I just was like, what do I want to keep? I was like, it's just really hard when you're against a shit team last week and a half decent team this week. I know, and we just thought we won, didn't we?